Hi guys, this program will show you how to compute a current attack speed of characters in MOBA games. So we use Python language for run this code. So first we make an function that has three parameters. So parameters is the attack speed, bonus attack speed, and the character's level. So inside the function there is the computation of how computation of the current attack speed. So next is the you make an code that will user input their attack speed to compute. So so this this code will print the total current attack speed. So the output is this. So enter base attack speed, which is this line of code. The enter bonus attack speed is this kind of line of code, and this enter the level is this line of code. So how the programs work? So if the user put a number, it will pass to this code, and this variable have this value. So we will pass to this function. Then it will compute to this line of code. So if all this value is put in this line of code, it will generate the answer and will pass to this function. Then this print serve as to show the generated answer. So in this print, this line of code called this function to show the answer. So this this function, which is this the answer. So this code except value error, this is the error message for if the user put an letter to the program and show the message that please enter the number only. So that's all. Thank you for watching.